Yep, it's visible.
All right. So here's your Summit Traders dashboard. Um, you can visit on admin.summittraders.com. And I've also installed the SSL certificate as well. Now, only admin can log into the dashboard. So employees are not allowed to log in the dashboard. And if they try, they will get an error or they will just not be able to log in. So I have created this dummy account for now as an admin, but then when giving to the client, we can create a account for the client as well. So when we log in, we come to this default page where in the dashboard, it shows us how many warehouse we have added in total and how many total employees do we have in all of our warehouses. There is your toggle button for shifting the layouts. And you can see here who is the logged in and what is the role. So by default, it will always be admin. And then you can log out if you need to. On the left side, you can see your warehouses. So if you have a warehouse, you can click on this and you can add your warehouse. So let's say I am adding maybe Bangalore and I can add the latitudes and longitudes for this warehouse. So now my warehouse is added. If I want to edit it, I can come in, I can edit the coordinates. So let's say it's 25, then it's updated. So this is done on the warehouse. Then if you want to add an employee, you go on creating an employee and you can fill up the details. So let's say I have maybe today new employee one at the way, yeah, particular email ID. Oh, it's a username, sorry. Mm, maybe let's call it employee one. The password is 123. And the role, you can select two things, whether you want to, whether you're adding it as an employee or whether as a warehouse manager. So here is the employee. And then you can assign a particular warehouse which you have created in your warehouse section. So I created right now Bangalore warehouse. So I click on Bangalore warehouse, then I submit. And this new employee is now added and it shows that the assigned warehouse is the Bangalore warehouse. So you can see all the employees in this table that you have added. Admins will not have any warehouse because admin do not work. So generally, managers and employees will have their role and their assigned warehouse reflecting here. You can also come and you can also update if you want to update anything here. Then whatever the credential you set here for this email ID and the password when you are adding the employee, then uh, user can actually log in with these details. Then when they check in and check out, this is the attendance section where you can see when did they check in and when did they check out. So on the top, you have a filter to select for which particular warehouse details you want to see. So let's say I want to see the Delhi warehouse, I can click on Delhi or I can click on Bangalore warehouse and it will show me the details. Currently, it is showing you blank data because we do not have any employee activity in the database for these employees because we edited them right now. So there is no activity record for them. But when there will be activity records for them, they will show the details here. Any question?
Okay.
Uh, Okay,
That's
so yeah, Mansab, it's in the backend, right? So we have to every time we have to add the employee or attendance and etc. etc. So
You don't
where?
have to attend, you
Mhm.
don't have to add attendance from dashboard. So dashboard is for the admin to see what every employee, when do they check in, when do they check out, what is the total duration they worked for. Um, the application will automatically submit that data to database. Okay, and their activities will start reflecting on the dashboard. So that is something will happen from the application. For
So
dashboard, you just have to add your warehouses and your employees.
okay, okay. The thing is that
Yes.
if someone clock in clock out, so is that possible that it can generate the report on the monthly basis, or we have
Uh,
to we
uh,
have to see that as we discussed, we have to see that when someone clocking the notification sent to the
yes.
admin application.
Admin gets notified, you mean to say, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
excuse me. Sorry to cut in between. Somewhere I
Mhm,
have to take one interview for graphic designer. I will just take that.
mhm.
Okay, I will leave this call.
Okay, okay, okay.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Can you repeat, Salman?
Yeah, the thing is that also I want to ask that like on the dashboard it is good. Like we have to add the employee at the warehouses, and we can remove the employer and warehouses. Okay. So the thing is that
Yes,
on the front end there is a APK is working. Okay.
yes,
So
yes, yes.
once someone is clock in and clock out, so the admin application has the notification that yes, this one is now clocking.
Not the application, but the warehouse. Sorry, but the dashboard.
And only the dashboard they have to access. Like they do not have any
Uh,
application on the admin side.
no, no. Admin doesn't have an application. If you want me to create this
Mhm.
section on the application, I can modify the section. So then application, we can add that section for admin as well.
Yeah, we need actually the thing is that it's in the scope of work that admin should notify that yeah someone is clocking and someone clock out.
Oh, okay.
So
Um, okay. Yeah, then I would have to add that section. There is one more thing we are also adding. So,
mhm,
check-in, check-out is only about that I came to office or I'm going out from the office, right? They
yeah,
are manually telling this. But if they leave a particular location area, then admin will also be notified for that as well.
yeah, that's
So
right.
let's
That's
say,
right.
yeah, let's say I come to office and I click on check-in. First thing is you cannot click on check-in unless until you're not in the office location or
Hmm.
under 100 meters area. If you're not in the 100-meter area, the check-in button will be disabled for you, and the checkout button will also be disabled for you. So first you have to arrive to office, and then only you can click on check-in. Then there is a possibility that you click on check-in, but you are actually going outside and not doing anything. So the logic we have created is if you leave that area, then admin will be notified at what time did this person exited from the office.
Okay,
Okay. And then we generate entire report of every single day. What was the total time he was inside the office, and what is the total time he was outside the office?
okay,
Okay.
okay. So
So, mm,
is that possible
yeah.
that from the dashboard we can export the Excel report that their clock in, clock out time and etc. and date?
We can do that, but currently no. I mean, we would have to
Mhm.
add that feature as well. Yeah, we would have to add this feature.
And also, okay, select the warehouse, and also where I can see, is there any date button?
Yes. Yeah. You can
Okay,
see for which particular day you want to see the report for.
so I want to see the whole month report for the particular
Um,
employee.
Okay. In that case, yeah, the report that is showing up here is for your monthly report.
For example, I have an employee like Mansab, so I want to see
Yeah.
all his report to the monthly or weekly basis. So is there any option for that, right? Yeah, or date
Um,
selection over there.
okay.
What do you say?
Currently there is no option
Mhm,
for it.
mhm,
We
mhm.
can add these things in the dashboard. We can add these things in the dashboard.
Okay, so this the dashboard is good. Dashboard is good. So
Mm.
the thing is that these are the very very small points. And what
Yes.
do you think? Like it will require a lot of time or what?
No, it won't require a lot of time because we already have a data in the backend. We
Okay,
would
that's
just
great.
have to make an API, first API to when you click on a particular employee, you see all his reports. So you see his monthly report, and then you see his
Hmm.
weekly report, and then you see his regular reports for past 30 days, let's say. So yeah, we would have to create three APIs for employee. And second thing is same thing we would have to do for check-in, check-out as well. So one data can be related to how much employee spend time inside the office and how much time he spends outside the office. First data can be related to that. Second data can be related at what time does he check in and at what time does he check out.
Okay, okay, that's great. That's
Okay. Yeah.
great. Okay,
So I would have to add those graphs in the dashboard. So you can imagine something like this. If I click on maybe this employee, then it will take me to a page where all the statistics of this employee will appear. And then you can filter maybe with the date or with other things as well.
okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
Mm.
Okay, and what about the yeah, actually one more thing, it's not the Sami traders, it's the Sami Trade Start Logistics.
Okay, okay, okay,
So I have to display this to the client dashboard to the client today maybe. So
okay.
I think the name will be issued. So you can change the name
Sure,
and also in the
I will
APK.
change. Okay, I will change the name. Sure.
Okay, and also in the APK, you have to put the logo, and the logo color is red. You can see that. So you can use the
Okay,
red theme.
okay.
And Mansab, is that possible that I have the login also, so I can give you the points on the ClickUp, all the points that I have
Um,
discussed to you, like
yes,
weekly reports, monthly reports.
I was thinking about the same thing actually. Wait, I'll take this one. Think pick up and should not be. Oh no, maybe here should be other click up already. Hmm. If I'm not wrong, Ramsha is still working on the website, replacing icons, right?
Yeah,
Um,
that's right. But
so
you have
yeah.
to ask her. Actually, the
Okay.
thing is that what we think about that, the answer is your responsibility, and you have to
Yes.
provide her the tasks and all the issues
Yes.
with Ramsha is
Yes.
dedicated towards you. So you have to ask her about any issues placing or blockage.
Mhm.
I think within 120 minutes. So I think it will be
Yeah.
better,
I,
or you can get update
mm.
directly from the Ramsha. So I
I
think
had
it's
already
it's a very good.
discussed with her. I had already discussed last night with her what her remaining task for the entire week. So she's aware. My take is that I'll be only working alone on the dashboard and on the application
But
because
Mansab,
we can use her.
if possible, if possible for you, that you can update the website. Like the website is still not updated, and
Hey, it's
I
updated, right?
don't know, but what's the issue with the things?
Hey, it's updated. It's updated. You see the icons are there.
But why it is not updated on my side?
You can visit.
I think
Try to visit again.
it's on the cache.
Could be, could be. Try to open incognito.
Yeah, it's updated. Yeah. Oh wow, icons
Right?
are looking very nice.
Only the forms
So
is left.
yeah, the form is not
This is
working.
something, the reason is because previously we were trying to implement a different flow, but now last night you introduced Zoho to us. So the previous flow, we are just dismissing the entire flow now, and we will
Okay.
be going to directly to Zoho. So initially, what we thought is when somebody submits a form, then we were using some email ID to transfer that email to your business at the rate digiexpo.com. But now the flow will be different when somebody submits. Then we are supposed to trigger a Zoho API, and then it will be stored in the Zoho forms. So when you go on your CRM, you see that in the lead section that you have received a new lead.
Yeah,
So that's
that's
why,
right.
uh, yeah. So maybe I don't think Ramsha is very much aware of how Zoho APIs work. So I
Mhm.
will have to discuss it with her if she can do it herself. I will give it her one day to explore. If she can, then it's good. If not, then I will take over her task and I will do it myself. But first, I'm
And
putting the application on the priority.
yes. Okay. And one more thing. What about the videos? Like I have converted the video in the MP4, but it's not changed.
These videos,
Yeah, these videos. In the
but
ClickUp, I already
these
sent as a MP4 version.
I will discuss with Ramsha. I don't know why she did not update these videos. I will discuss it with her because it will not take that much time to replace the videos.
Okay. But
Um,
I think the icon looks very good. The loop and icon
yeah,
animation
yeah,
looks very good.
yeah.
And
I think she is a bit confused about what is the next icon she is replacing. Maybe in the services section, I told her
mhm.
to find similar icons from Icon Scout and put these icons here. So this is currently what she's doing. Should be able to do it by today because it is not difficult task. You just have to replace the files.
Okay.
Hmm, okay, yeah, but it looks fine. You told us that you will be working on the case studies content.
Yeah, I'm
So
still working on it. I think the content is ready, so I have to design the
okay,
UI UX for that. And I have the
yes, yes,
continuous meeting with the clients. Like you know about it in the UAE, we have a lot of expenses over there, so we have to We have to grab the clients also.
Agree.
So yes, in the blocks
Okay.
like H1, H2, H3, it's all good.
On the pages, it's all good. On the static pages.
Mhm, mhm.
But in the block section, I don't think she can do it on her own because blog is coming from the Sanity. So this is
Yeah.
something should be modified on the Sanity and not on the website because it's not created on the website. So
Mhm.
you cannot modify it directly from website. So let me check. Is there any H1 tag? No, they're all P tags. Okay, if I go yeah, there is H1 tag, which is correct. This is your heading. That's wrong. Yes. Hmm.
And also the sitemap has been created, right?
Sorry,
Sitemap
sitemap.
sitemap has been, yeah.
Yes, Ramsha created it, but it was giving some errors last night. I removed that code.
Mhm.
I don't know what was the errors, but the sitemap was not working correctly when I tested it. So I did not merge that code in the live website. I tested it on the testing website. It was not working correctly. So we will need to create that file again. I will do it myself. It's not time consuming. Or maybe I will tell Ramsha what she has to do. What was the error? But yes, currently we already have a sitemap, but it is not dynamic. If we go on sitemap, we have a sitemap already, but it's not dynamic today. So I will create a dynamic sitemap. Then we don't need this sitemap anymore. And then every time we add a block, the sitemap will be updated automatically.
So Mansur, you will assign the tasks to Ramsha also about the videos and the sitemap and
Yes,
let
everything
me.
everything will be in the sprint folder. All the tasks that you see between 20th of January to 9th of the December, or not 20th
Okay.
January, from today to 9th of February, all the tasks will
Okay.
be in this sprint. You can just come to sprint folder and you can see what we
Okay.
as a tech team are doing. Okay.
Okay. I move all the tasks into the sprint folder. Okay.
Sure, sure. The thing that we
And
discussed today, I will add those tasks here manually myself.
okay. Okay. That's great. And
Okay.
also, let me share my screen also.
Okay. Okay.
So Mansur, you can see that there I have created the tasks in the website list over here. You can see that there is a Google
Yes.
Drive folder. Okay.
Yes.
So in the Google Drive folder, there is a videos,
Okay.
all the videos on the homepage.
They are MP4 videos, right?
Yeah, they are MP4 video. And is that possible that you can change it right now? The only issue is that we have a very important meeting to the client tomorrow. So obviously they will see just our homepage. And in the iPhone, it looks very bad.
Okay.
So is that possible that you can change this video right now in half an hour?
Again.
Okay, so you
Again.
do you need that link?
Uh, yes. Okay, it's in the website. I can find the task then myself. You can share the link with me. Also, if that is
I
the case, then I will remove the captcha as well from the homepage.
Yeah, you can do it. You can do it. No problem.
Okay.
Okay.
Once that will be working, then I will enable it again. But for now, if you have a meeting
Yeah.
tomorrow, then it doesn't look good. Then I will
Okay.
remove the captcha as well. All right.
Okay, that's great. Okay, Mansaf, I think
Mm,
till then I'm trying my best to give you the output related to the sub-services case study. Like our SEO, as you
okay.
see that our SEO team has already created the content corrections with the
Mm, yes.
removal of the AI. So I think
Mm,
we have to move forward to the multiple pieces. And yes, we
okay.
have a lot of blogs, and Laiba and Abdul Rahman is all there to rank our website. Okay.
Yes. Okay.
So before this weekend, I think we should have to sort out all the things to our SEO team, right?
Yes. Right.
Yeah, yeah. Also, let us know about that. You have in the SEO group, you should post that the sitemap has been generated, H1 has been created, something like that.
Okay.
So the SEO team aware that yes, it is done from our end.
All right. I will. Okay. I
Okay.
will.
And what about the mobile optimization? Is it done?
Mobile application.
Mobile optimization. Yeah, no, mobile optimization.
Oh, okay. Speed optimization of the mobile for the
Yeah.
mobiles. I think it is optimized. To take it to 100% is quite difficult because on the homepage we have a lot of animations going on. So
Hmm.
we cannot remove those animations because otherwise homepage will not look good. So,
Hmm.
but we still have around 60% optimized. Initially, it was on 40, 48 or 55 or maybe 31. But now Ramsha has worked. She compressed some images and did some work, removed some unused lines of code. And today I checked last time I checked, it was 61%. So
Okay.
I have assigned this to her as a side task. So whenever she has nothing to do, that is something she works on.
Okay. And one more thing, if you are changing the videos, so you can see that this whole section it should be the clickable. Like it's not clickable. You can see that. Are you able to see that?
Uh,
This
yes, I think it is.
whole box should be
Mhm.
clickable.
Okay. Can you
Not
click on
not
the
like
button?
that. Sorry.
Okay. Can you click on the button? Do we have any link for
Yeah.
this?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's a link.
Okay.
Okay.
Sure.
So
Sure.
just for the home page, this the whole box should have been clickable. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So just two things I've given you: video and this whole box. These
Okay.
four boxes. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, Mansab. I'm
It will be
I'm
done.
aligning. Yeah, I'm aligning the DG Expo tasks, DG Expo website tasks
Okay.
to your sprint
Okay.
files folder, and
Sure.
if possible for you, you can attend the Scrum meeting in the morning. So actually,
Yep.
the
Thank you.
only thing is that I have a lot of meetings in between these times, like from 11 a.m.
Mhm.
to 6-7 p.m. So in
Okay.
between there is you have any blockage, so I'm unable to respond. But in the morning,
Mhm.
it's a fresh morning, so I'm all available to you. And one more
Okay.
thing, like in the previous week, you have just lost 18 or 19 hours. So maybe sir, I think
I
it's your sister
mhm.
wedding, right?
uh Not that issue. I generally work on multiple systems because I have multiple laptops. So I don't
Mhm.
have time doctor in every single laptop. But I'm continuously working. Otherwise, I wouldn't be able to complete projects.
Okay, but as you know that all the companies should have a one policy like this. We have to it's nothing like that. We have to implement the things according to the rules. But I think if possible for you, you can use only one device. Why you are using multiple devices? Any reason for that?
Um, Actually, I'm not always at home. Sometimes
Mhm.
I'm at home, sometimes I'm at my workspace. I actually have my workspace apart from my home. So sometimes when I'm working from home, I'm working on a different laptop, and if I'm at my workplace, I'm working on a different laptop. So I don't move my devices with me all the times. So wherever I'm at, I use that particular device for myself.
Okay, so okay, no, okay, we will discuss tomorrow for that. No problem. And
Okay. Okay.
anything more else from our side, let us know if there is an issue or something.
Um, yeah, nothing else about this. I just wanted to let you know that probably I'm not 100% certain now, but maybe from next month, I might not be here.
Mhm.
Yeah, it's not final decision. But yeah, I'm just saying that maybe if you can find some alternate resource who can continue, then that's better.
Okay, so what's the particular reason that means we
Currently,
already
I don't have any particular reason. Maybe I'm just also getting some offers from other places.
Mhm.
So maybe I'm looking into that as well.
Okay, so maybe we can match that offer or what you say about
Okay. Sure. We can discuss it later.
it.
Okay.
Mhm.
I will discuss it later with you. Sure.
Okay, okay, Mansur. Okay,
Okay.
that's
Okay.
great. Okay, thank you.
All
Have
right.
a good
All
day.
right.
Bye.
Thank you.